Hey, my name is Taylen Parrish-Fagin. I'm a dual enrollment student at North Florida College, and I'm in the advanced manufacturing class. North Florida College is a great college to go to, to start off with and get a good education. And one small dream can lead to the rest of your life. I actually like this class a lot. It teaches me a lot of new things about different technology I never even used or really seen before. Most favorite part of the class, it teaches how to do stuff with 3D printing. I always wonder how that stuff actually worked, and so now that my teacher, Mr. Bill, showed us how to do it, it's life-changing, to be honest. It gets you ready for all the different engineering and technology that you're going to be using in the future. Different jobs, you look for good money, When I get ready to actually transfer to a university, it'll be so much easier.
My name is Bill Eustace. I'm the instructor at North Florida College for the Advanced Manufacturing Production Technology program. Taylen is one of my students this semester. He's a dual enroll high school student. He's been doing phenomenal so far in the program. He's completed about 5 of the trainers that we've got to do back here in the lab, and he's really taking a liking to SolidWorks. He's gotten very proficient with SolidWorks software, 3D design software. He's 3D printed quite a few items already, and I just can't say enough about him. He does really well in here.
It's just amazing the kind of things that these 3D printers can make. Like, it's so fun to make all the different things that you enjoy or what you want to create. And then, later on in the future, you can actually be making some very important parts that people might need. I just want to give Mr. Bill Eustace a huge thank you for exposing me to all this new, different technology and computer work and teaching me how to 3D print. I just want to thank him for that.